Hello there again, traders, and welcome to Thursday, the 15th of Jan '09. Now, the selling, guys, just keeps on going. We've seen the value of these companies around the world; they're just plummeting in value. Very interesting, guys. That's why I don't trade CFDs or options. I said that. I'm fairly anti-CFD, guys. I've seen so many people get burned trading CFDs. It's just incredible. Anyway, that's enough from me standing on the mount, guys. What are we looking at right now? Looking at a very strong sell bias. Now, I would have loved to have taken advantage of this down run just here, guys. Just simply didn't get a signal that satisfied me enough to take it. Again, this continuation signal here, guys. I had a double top in price. Still doing research into double tops, and as a result, didn't take it. And of course, it paid quite nicely. So adding a little bit of weight to the research. All in all, guys, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, that's a 10-point rundown before I got a signal I was happy to take. But guys, talk about patience and discipline. We'll stay patient and we'll see what happens. First signal, guys, first signal was about 35 minutes into the session. Again, it was my little continuation just here. Wanted 2 points. Had to wait a little bit, mind you, but my 2 points got paid quite happily. Very, very glad, guys, I wasn't going for 3 points. There's a lot of method behind this madness. Now, second against the trend, guys, a great buy signal to take the market the other way to reverse the down trend. Now, again, as you know, guys, with this format of signal, I go for 3 points. We went up about 1.25. We came down 1.25, so we did take a bit of heat before it then ran on quite happily to a full 4 points. Now, we were only after 3, so we got our 3 quite nicely. Now, moving further through the session, you'll note that we couldn't take advantage of this little uptrend either. We're not really that concerned, guys, about little spikes and so on, because ultimately we do tend to bop along and it goes really nicely. Did get a continuation buy just here. Would have loved a nice run up. As it turns out, we actually took 1.5 points worth of heat. Very glad that did decide to turn up, guys, because at that point I had a 2-point stop set on that trade. 2-point stop wasn't threatened, but it was looking pretty dodgy just for a little bit. Ultimately, guys, after my 2 points, I got my 2 points again. We then had, again, another reversal to come in line with the market bias. We had a nice little, beautifully structured sell signal here. Again, I was after my 2 points, guys. By the end of the session, it had paid well over 2 points, in fact, 2.25. So we were out of the sell signal as well. Now, I mentioned earlier in the summary about taking advantage of the market, regardless of whether it goes up or down. Guys, I have found index trading to be exceptionally powerful, even when the market is apparently flat, in inverted commas. So either way, guys, what did we get tonight? 9 points at 5% per point, so a 45% return. Again, if you're a 10 contract trader, 45% return on 10 contracts worth 10 grand is just on 4,500 US. And guys, I'm only trading a small session of around 2 to 2.5 hours. So awesome returns. They just keep on bopping along, guys. I'll update you tomorrow on how Friday's trading goes. Have a phenomenal Thursday evening, and we'll chat soon. Bye for now.